Welcome to Study Bulletin. Today's topic is going to be very interesting. Actually, yesterday Google announced a broad core algorithm update. So this is called a December 2020 core update. Actually, Google releases core update every year, several times. So as you can see, yesterday itself on December 3rd, 2020, Google released a core update. Here you can see if you have any queries about how you can regain your ranking after Google core update, you can go to webmasters.googleblog.com. Here they have mentioned what are the steps you can follow in order to maintain your ranking even after a broad algorithm change, so that your ranking won't affect your website. As you can see, people are tweeting it, retweeting it. So we'll see how it will affect your website, or what websites whether Google update is affecting. So as you can see, this is Search Engine Land, very famous website. It has also announced that Google December 2020 core update rolling out after 7 months. Actually, after 7 months, Google has released a new core update. The last update, as we can see, it was released in May 2020 and in January 2020, this year itself. So we'll not go into detail as of how Google updates its algorithm, or when Google last updated its algorithm, but we'll see what are the latest changes, or the changes that Google made yesterday, announced yesterday. We'll see what are the effects of it. As you can see, this is a website. This is showing some websites which have gained rank this week, and these are some websites which have lost their rank this week. From these websites we cannot make sure like what is the particular category of the websites which have gained their ranking or lost their ranking. So we'll check this website. This is called Google algorithm changes. So it periodically updates any changes made in Google algorithm. So as you can see, the month of November was quite stable. Only 1 or 2 days where you can see that there has been any changes, like major changes in Google algorithm. But as you can see, on December 3rd, there is a high change in Google algorithm. That means actually there has been a broad algorithm change by Google, as mentioned in Twitter by Google Search License, that they have already rolled out the update, and it will take around 1 or 2 weeks to fully roll out the update. You can see the starting itself, like December 3rd, the changes has been occurring. As you can see, the changes, there is a high level of changes in Google algorithm search ranking. You can see 57. So 57 is actually very high according to this website, Google ranking changes. So this website shows how Google algorithm update affects the ranking of different websites. So as you can see, on December 3rd, 2020, there is a high change in ranking of different websites. This is another website, SEMrush Sensor. This is also a website which shows category wise what are the changes, like which category have faced the major changes in their ranking. So as you can see, first we'll see if blue it is low, if green then it is normal, if orange it is high, and if it is red then that means the ranking have changed very high. Okay, there is a great amount of changes in ranking. So as you can see, all the categories, so you can see almost all the categories have been affected by this core update. For example, art and entertainment, it has been affected very badly. As you can see, 8.4. See, it does not mean that the rankings of all the websites in this category have gone down. It is possible that for some websites the ranking may have changed to higher position, and for some website the ranking may be lower. That doesn't mean that you cannot change your ranking. You can always change or make your ranking higher by changing your content. If you follow the Google Webmaster guidelines, you can actually check what are the changes you need to do in your content so that you can regain your website ranking. As you can see, arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, books and literature. Books and literature websites, this category has faced least change. As you can see, it is in a green area. So as you can see, different categories We'll check one by one which categories have been affected the most. For example, arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, books and literature have been affected the least. Okay, as you can see, it is 4.8. So there is not any, like, you cannot say it has been affected very badly. I don't think it has been affected at all. So you can see again business and industrial 7.0, computers and electronics 6.1, likewise law and government 6.5, and news category has been affected widely. So you can expect that if you are having a website on news, so it is possible that either your website ranking or your page ranking has been going very up or would be going very down. That doesn't mean that it has affected your website in a negative way. You can take it in a positive way and make some required changes in your content, so that you can regain your ranking. Then real estate has been affected very least, and travel also has been affected very least. Sports 8.8, that means it has been affected very badly. That means most of the websites have seen a fluctuation in their ranking. So this is my website, studybulletin.in. This is actually a tech website. As you can see here, internet and telecom, it is showing that 7.2. So that is possible that the websites which are dealing in internet and telecom categories, like blog related or anything related to internet and telecom, those have been affected very badly. Either it is possible that either their ranking have gone very up or their ranking have gone very down. So this is my website, Study Bulletin. Actually it deals with internet and telecom, like mostly tech related blogs, SEO related blogs, so it comes under technology. So actually I went to my Google search console, and I checked my rankings. Suppose I search for Go Viral Host, and you can see that this Go Viral Host, you can see average position 5.9. so it is coming on the first page. Again for this keyword it is coming on the first page. Again for this keyword it is also coming on the first page, as you can see, studybulletin.in. So as of now, I don't think the algorithms have affected my website, but it is possible that it can affect in the future if my content is not aligned to the Google Webmasters guidelines. Also, as they have mentioned that it will take around 1 to 2 weeks to fully roll out. So I'll make a video after 2 weeks to show if my website rankings have been affected by this December 2020 core update. As of now, just because it has passed only 1 day, so I cannot make sure that if it has affected my website in a good way or a bad way. But since I'm checking the rankings of some keywords of my website, so it has not affected any ranking as of now. I hope it won't affect after 1 or 2 weeks, but if it affects after 1 or 2 weeks, then sure I'll make a video. So you can see Google algorithm update history. As moz.com always updates what changes Google is making. So you can see that there has been a plenty of updates by Google every month, almost every month, but core update comes, I think, only 4 to 5 times in a year. But some small updates you can see on October 12th, indexing bug. Google claimed that bulk of the indexing and canonicalization bugs had been fixed by around October 14th. So you can see unnamed update, rank tracking tools and webmaster charter search a significant update. You can see small updates keep on coming from Google, so you do not have to worry. You just have to wait and watch. If it is affecting you very badly, then what you can do is you can make some positive changes in your content so that you can regain your rankings. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you have any query on Google core updates, or you want to make a video on any particular Google core update, then please inform me in comment section. I'll make a video for sure. Thank you.